and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally. And in today's video, I'm going to be making a spiral knot, which is Macrame method, and it is this one here. So I'm going to be using two types, two different colours of cord. Let's get into it. Hello little Layla, you have a little investigation. See how the room looks a bit different? Yeah. Okay, what I've got here is some thick rope braiding. Love the little pale pink colour of that one, and I've got some black which is slightly softer, and look at her just enjoying herself. All right, and I'll show you what I've got here. So I've got this clothes rail and I've added two hooks onto it, and I've got my wooden dowel for some macrame. We're going to start by doing 2 lark's head knots. And just to say that this is the piece that we're building upon. I started a couple of videos back, so this is where we're going with this video today. We're going to be doing some macrame so that we can add to this piece. Okay then, so this is my setup. So I'm going to do 2 lark's head knots and just measuring out that cord. There we go. I want to do 2 colours because I think it might be quite cool. Okay then, so what we're going to do is grab my left hand cord and I'm going to take my right. I'm going to lead with my left, so it's going underneath this black one. I'm going to take the black over here and I'm going to be pulling this up together once again over the top of the 2 in the middle, like that. It's like making a C shape, and I'm going to take my right hand cord and pull that through like so, and then over the top under the black and through. Oh, I'm loving the way that this is so chunky already. Over the top of the middle 2, right hand cord, pull through. You still see? Yep. Okay, at this point it's starting to swivel, but I'm going to carry on with it behind here. Just doing exactly the same. So over the top, behind. Hi Layla. This is my little footy cat, tabby cat, Layla, if you haven't met her before. Okay, it's starting to take shape, so let's do a time lapse. Okay, this is what it looks like. We've got excess cord going down there. Obviously, the lead cord has run out up here. Really like it. What I'm going to do next is take the wooden dowel off and also my macrame. And then I want to have a little experiment with where I can put this on my piece. So let's have a little play. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Obviously the 2 cords are slightly different thicknesses, which gives it a different result again. But I'm loving the way it's very structured. Just can't decide whereabouts I want it to go on my weave. So we might have to just leave it right there. Hey! Where are you off to? Oh! Hi! Oh, you're a bit wet. You've been out in the rain. Have you? Oh dear me. You need drying off, don't you? I'm going to do it on the carpet, Sally. I'm going to dry myself off. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh no. Is it a game? It's a game. Is it a game? It's okay. So you can see that the rope has naturally started to spiral. And yeah, I just love the effect. I think I'm going to have to make some more. What do you reckon, Layla? What do you reckon? Hey? What do you reckon? Lady Layla. I'm too busy, Sally. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and if you did, do give it a big thumbs up. It really does help the channel grow. So hit the subscribe button if you're new, enjoyed this video. I would be very grateful, and I shall see you in the very next video.